This particular platform is paying you to give them content, but it's not you giving them the content. It's ChatGPT. It's artificial intelligence. So you can break the system, get paid over and over and over again by using artificial intelligence, giving really, really interesting content, and then boom, there you go. You get paid. It's very, very simple and very, very cool. $15K a month just by putting a simple list together. That's what we're breaking down today on Making Money with AI.
We're excited to share this with you because this is just kind of an amazing, mind-blowing way to make some money. And that is creating simple top 10 lists, simple top 10 list articles. As you can see here, we're on a website called Listverse. It's at listverse.com. And you can see these are all just 10 harrowing emergency landings, 10 psychiatric diagnoses, 10 greatest movie MacGuffins, 10 things you might not know about Dante's Divine Comedy, 10 times celebrities went after critics. Let me click on this one here and just show you. These are in the marketing world, these are called listicles because they are list articles, right? And so this article is, look at this, it's brand new, just submitted yesterday. 10 times celebrities went after critics, okay? And so what they do is they go into 10 different times, 10 different situations, right? Now, this one happens to have videos, but you don't have to have videos. You just make the article. And the way you do that article is super easy. You can go to ChatGPT and you can make any kind of article you want.
So what's cool about this, I see this all the time, Dave. I know you do, and the person watching this video knows it too. All the time on Facebook, all the time on different social media platforms, you see all these kinds of things shared, top 10, and these are all kinds of really interesting nuggets that I've never seen before. And it's just something that inherently goes viral. It's something that inherently gets shared. And this is something where you don't need to come up with a product. This is not something you have to do support with. This is not something that you need to do anything for. You just need to submit it. And to Dave's point, ChatGPT is going to get you the 10 pieces of list and all the content. It really is just making a simple article, but because it's a list, because it's a top 10 list, this particular platform is paying you to give them content, but it's not you giving them the content. It's ChatGPT. It's artificial intelligence. So you can break the system, get paid over and over and over again by using artificial intelligence, giving really, really interesting content, and then boom, there you go. You get paid. It's very, very simple and very, very cool.
Yeah, very cool because this site right here, Listverse, will pay you $100 per top 10 list. So all you do is create one of these top 10 lists. Of course, go ahead and read the rules and all that stuff. Go over to ChatGPT, and here's where you can create whatever listicle you want. Give me an interesting top 10 list article about celebrities. This could be one article that you created for $100, but guess what? ChatGPT is creating it for you. It says top 10 fascinating facts about celebrities you probably didn't know. It starts off the article, starts off talking about Natalie Portman, Steve Buscemi, Keisha, and it starts telling you little things that maybe you didn't even know. And these are perfect articles for content on websites. People love these articles. People love consuming the articles, but people also love looking at them and learning new things, right? So like, I didn't know Justin Bieber solved a Rubik's Cube in under 2 minutes. I didn't know that, right? And so this ChatGPT is creating this article for you before your very eyes. You go back over here and you submit your article, right? Here it is, submit a list, and you get paid $100 per article. Now you have this little guide that tells you what to do, so be sure to read that and then give those instructions to ChatGPT. And there you go. We just literally in real time just made $100 right there.
Yeah, I mean, that took, what, 30 seconds? And it could be all kinds of different things, all kinds of different, and just look at the articles that are on that particular site, get an idea for what's being published, and then do your own version of that. And so that's really, really cool and very, very simple. Something anyone can do. Get $100 a pop. It's fun. Do it while you're working. See, because you can submit multiple lists.
Yep.
Maybe they take list number 4. Maybe they take list number 7. Who cares? Give them some different lists. They're looking at submissions all the time and then get paid.
You could even go to ChatGPT and say, what are the most popular types of listicles? Have it start there and then start going from that, right? So now you're not just guessing that this might be a good article. You're actually having ChatGPT tell you what are the most popular types of listicles that you can do.
Before you started breaking this down to me earlier today, Dave, I never even knew this was a thing. And that's what's so cool about our channel is that we ourselves are just we love this stuff. We nerd out on this stuff. We're discovering these things, and from our research and going out there, it's like, damn, this is a strategy that anyone can do with no experience. You can do this from anywhere in the world and give cool stuff. People are enjoying your content and you get paid for it. Like, what's better than that? You know what I mean? Like,
That's right.
It's fun. It's fun to make money, and everyone comes from different places. And some people are trying to make $1 billion overnight, and some people are like, you know what? I'm already doing this stuff with my own work here. Maybe this is just something periodically I just spend. All right, I've got downtime of 30 seconds. Let me make one of these. Let me see if I can get this thing get paid. And that can just put you down this whole different rabbit hole here. And so I'm just really excited for some people to try this from our viewership here and make some money.
Yeah, totally. I mean, you could submit 5 of these a day, so that's 500 a day times 30, that's 15,000 a month. That's how we break that down. And it's pretty amazing what you can do now with AI. AI is doing all the work for you, right? In the past, you would have to go do all that research. Now AI does it for you. ChatGPT is amazing. So if you like this kind of video, thank you so much. Go ahead and hit the like button. But for sure, what you want to do is go get our free ebook that shows you 40 ways to make money with ChatGPT. You'll see a link in the description below. And when you do that, you'll also get access to our free newsletter, as well as a chance to win a $200 hotel stay. We're giving you all kinds of goodies just for joining us on this journey. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.